Good morning.
Hey everybody.
I'm Robert. That's Julie. And this is our thing.
We're doing another haul today. It's a Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree?
Yeah,
Dollar Tree haul.
$1.25 haul.
Yeah. But it's kind of different because I'm starting on Christmas gifts, and I've got a website. It's called Texas Rustic Gal that I'm fixing to revamp it. And then he's got a website called Southwest Graphic Arts that we put our t-shirts on. And I do make custom t-shirts. But anyway, this is kind of an everything haul. So, here we go. Got some more of that Dragonfly bath body soap. This is a different one. The other one I like okay. And then he got some of the Laboris. Is that how you pronounce it?
Laboris, yeah. It's mouthwash.
It's mouthwash.
It's very cinnamon.
And it's cinnamon. And it's not overwhelming. It doesn't stink.
Tastes good too.
Okay, I bought a candle at Joann's yesterday, and I needed something to put it in, so I got a vase, a little glass candle holder for it.
Those are pretty cool because you can take those and make floating candles or regular candles. They're pretty versatile.
Yeah, we were at a wedding 2 weekends ago, or last weekend, and they had the floating candles in it. It was really pretty. The way they had it with the baby breast and everything. Baby's breath.
Breast?
Breast.
Blah, blah, blah.
Anyway, so our roommate likes hot cocoa. And I got her a hot cocoa cup. Last year I got her a gnome cup. This year I got her a hot cocoa served here cup.
She'll be happy.
Yeah. Then I got 2 new sink strainers. The ones that I bought for $1 at Walmart. They're crap. They're already, I haven't even had them a month, have I?
And how much did you pay for them?
These are $1.25 and those were $1. And these are
bigger
and they're sturdier.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're not as rubbery.
They're not going to break you. I mean, and plus, I think I like the rubber ones a lot better than the steel ones.
Well, that's the rubber ones in there.
Well, we've had the metal ones before.
Yeah.
The metal ones kind of get yucky really bad.
And these do too.
Not
they all get yucky.
But those are easier to clean.
Well, everybody knows that I have a cooking channel and that I'm always using my measuring cups. Well, I always need something bigger than a 2-cup measure. I found a 4-cup. Is that 4 cups? Yeah,
know.
4 cups.
4 cups, 32 ounce?
4 cups. And I'm like, yes, jump in my buggy, please. Everything jumps in my buggy. So, I got some small ones like this, a couple, about 2-3 month haul ago. And I'm using these in my craft room, in my my fabric. What do you call that?
She uses
Storage.
them next to her desk.
And I hang stuff on them, like my wooden things, because I'm a crafter.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I am.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So I bought wrapping paper.
How much is wrapping paper normally, like at Walmart or Target or?
You can get it from $1 to $20. Just depends.
How much would something like that cost at Walmart or Target?
Probably about 30.
Oh, I see you saved quite a bit.
Okay, so I'm a crafter, and I'm making stockings for my rustic out. And I needed the top part of it, and so what I do is I get these microfiber cloths, and I cut it to the thing I want it, I fold it, and I make the tops to my stockings. And this is the best way to do it, because it's $1.25, and you get quite a bit with it. And you can make up to, I think I can get 6 stockings out of this, which is good.
I like it actually better than that fluffy stuff.
Yeah, this is less.
It's less
and I can
fiberish.
And I can embroidery on this. Where the other stuff that you buy at Joann's or Michael's or whatever, you can't.
It's too stringy.
Yeah, you can't.
You can't embroider
it as good. So I'm making Christmas ornaments also, and I'm putting a design on them. Well, you can put your own name on them. I've got a Cricut that I'm going to use to put the name on it, I bought these to make the design. I bought two different. This one is gold, red, and silver. And this one is pink, blue, and is it brown or purple?
Brown.
Purple.
Purple. Yeah, you can't tell in this lighting.
Burgundy.
Burgundy. So it's kind of a cross between brown and red and purple.
Then I got 4 frames. This is a Christmas present that I'm making, and I'm going to make it and put it on. It's our thing. But I'm making a candle holder with pictures in it for somebody special.
You know, Dollar Tree is probably about the best place to buy picture frames. We buy them by the case. A lot of times they're $1.25, and they're decent. $1.25. It's $1.25 US. Anyway, so they're picture frames. You can go to a place like Walmart, or you can go to places that have picture frames and easily spend what, $10 a shot, and you put a picture in them, you hang them on the wall, and you don't touch them for like 5-10 years. You know, it's $1.25, $1.25. So it's a lot cheaper.
But anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the picture in there, and then I'm going to put this in behind it because it's got the black. I forgot duct tape.
I got duct tape.
But anyway, I'm going to take the back part off, cut this to match it, and put this in as the back here. Then that way, when the candles in it, or the fairy lights, or whatever I'm going to put in it, are in it, it'll show up. So that's one of the things I'm going to be doing with that. And then I got, he got some thank you cards.
Yeah, whenever I shoot a concert, do photography work, if I've got a address or someplace where I can mail somebody something that they've done me a big favor or something, I like to send them a thank you card, just simply to say thanks. So Dollar Tree, this whole pack, there's 8 cards in here, was $1.25. So that's what, 15 cents a piece, something like that, less than 15, yeah, about 15 cents a piece, complete with envelope. You can't beat it.
And he bought batteries.
More batteries. We go through batteries like crazy.
Okay, now, everybody knows I like the flour sack towels. I do make some flour sack towels, which I'm fixing to start working on here probably within the next week or so. But I always look at Dollar Tree for the flour sack towels. I found these, and it says, "Have yourself a magical holiday." And it looks like that. They're so cute. I love flour sack. Then this one says, "Christmas isn't a season, it's a feeling." It's got a little gnome on it, of course. I didn't even realize it. No, it's not
It's an elf.
It's an elf.
Elf.
And then it's got this on the back. Well, also I needed sponges. So I got some sponges.
These are the scrapey, spongy kind of things.
Yeah. And instead of buying his,
she made me muffins, because I eat muffins for breakfast, and normally we would go to like Sam's and get a whole bunch of muffins. And how much are they?
they're like $5, something $6.
They're expensive. So the other day she made me some muffins to take to work, and I bit into them, and I said, the only weirdness about those whole muffins, they were good. She asked me how good they were, and I said they were good, but they taste like birthday cake. She goes, they were birthday cake. And I'm going, okay, but yeah.
And I
so
buy those
great.
at Walmart, and I paid about the same price as I do these, but I didn't have the. They didn't have the banana nut, so I got the banana nut, and the Martha Whites are pretty good. Versus, I can't eat them because it's got too much sugar in them. But this is what I make, is the Martha White.
I'm a blueberry guy if I can get them though.
NUTTY BARS for him.
Yeah.
Brownie Kings. This is a new one. He's going to
That
try
looks
these.
good.
He's going to try these. They're
Yes,
called
I am.
Galactic Brownie Bites.
Galactic.
Galactic.
Okay.
Then we got bread. I got white and whole wheat. The whole wheat I make French toast.
Oh man.
I make diet sugar-free French toast. And this is the whole wheat. And this tastes like Roman milk, believe it or not.
I haven't seen Roman Meal in ages, and I love Roman Meal. I don't even know if they're still in business, but I'd like to find some.
Of course, the cheese crackers. I already busted into them.
The thing with the cheese crackers is I have low blood sugar, and every once in a while I'll feel it coming on, and I'll eat one, keep some of these around my desk, and I'll eat one, and it helps me out a whole lot. But those are great. And these things are the Lance ones. I don't know who makes the other ones, but these are supposedly the cheapy ones, whatever. You can't tell the difference, so they're really good.
Then somebody wants me to make just a pudding, or no, I'm sorry. I'm going to make a pudding chocolate pie, and it has sugar in it. I'm going to make it with a graham cracker crust. This is called the Bama, and he's gonna see how good it is because I can't eat it.
I like just plain chocolate pudding pies.
And this is chocolate pudding.
Plain Jello chocolate pudding.
And then I got the extra creamy Cool Whip topping for that.
Got to have that on top.
Yeah.
And then if you get those little chocolate jimmies, little things that are about this long, you know, the little cylinder things.
Oh, the sprinkles?
The sprinkles, yeah. That even makes it better if you can find those things. Did you know they call those jimmies?
No.
Yeah, that's what they're called. They're called jimmies.
I've always called them sprinkles.
Oh, okay. Educating each other every day.
Yep, every day.
Every day. So is that all?
That's our haul.
What about you got this stuff already?
Yeah.
You got all this stuff. Okay, so.
And some of this is multiple stuff, but you know.
When we go to Dollar Tree, we pick up stuff for the week and the month, and then we pick up some stuff that's kind of just for funds. And
yeah, we spend about $50 or $60 every week or every 2 weeks.
yeah, you know, I mean, I get snacks for quite a while, and this kind of stuff beats going to the vending machine at work.
And this
Definitely.
stuff here will go to work with them.
Yeah, I mean,
Because if it's here, I eat it.
a bag of potato chips is now $1.75 in the vending machine at work.
You're kidding.
No, it's crazy.
I can send you a big old bag for $1.25.
I know. That's why we get this stuff.
I can pop you popcorn for cheaper than that.
Woohoo! A little caramel on it?
I don't have any caramel. I have chocolate.
Chocolate's fine. Okay, but anyway, is that all our haul?
That's our haul.
That's our haul. So anyway, if you like anything here, you see us, please like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it.
If you have something that you've thought of and that you can't quite craft it, put it in the comments. I'll try.
We'll see what we can do.
Because I'm an outside thinker of the box. Is that right?
Yeah.
Outside of the box thinker.
Yeah, something like that. It all
And-
comes out the same.
And I like this thing that I'm fixing to make. I'm gonna put it on YouTube. I'm gonna make it on YouTube for y'all, and then y'all can see how it's done, and y'all can make your own.
Yep.
He's got to print off the pictures, but we're gonna put it on regular paper.
Yeah.
I could probably do slide paper.
Yeah.
No.
You might be able to do some kind of like a film. Film,
No,
I don't know.
vellum. No.
Vellum? We
could
can
do
figure it
vellum.
out.
We could do vellum, but I don't think it'll shine. I don't think that's expensive.
We're gonna play with it.
Yeah, we're gonna play with it and see what we can come up with. But
So anyway, are we
that's
done?
our haul.
That's our haul. That's Julie.
That's Robert.
It's our thing.
And
guests
we
don't care.
Talk to you later. See you. Bye.
Bye.